Hi! In front of me is TOSCIDO P101, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos app, selecting one of your albums, and holding one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. Finally, to select multiple ones right away, click on this dot at the top left corner. Then, to exclude some that you wish to keep, click on the chosen ones. And to delete the rest, click on this bin next to the shopping cart at the top right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-ups. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!